Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change gender in Roblox application. To change your gender in Roblox is easy. First of all, open up your Roblox application and log into your account. After you're signed in, from the homepage of Roblox, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Inside the More menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. After you go ahead and tap on Settings, you will see these options. Tap on Account Info. Inside Account Info, scroll down and look for the Gender option. Choose your gender, either male or female, and once you do that, you can get back to the home page. And that's how you easily change your gender in Roblox. You can also go ahead and customize your avatar that matches your gender, and after making the changes, the update will happen automatically. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.